Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this video I am going to tell you about the types of the nephrons, the difference between the cortical and the juxtamedullary nephron. What are the differences between these two types of the nephron? Nephrons is the structural and the functional unit of the kidney which is capable of forming urine by itself, which is called the nephron. Nephron. There are two types of the nephrons present in the kidney structure, the cortical nephron and the juxtamedullary nephron. These two types of the nephrons, besides of the property of the nephron I have discussed in the previous video, there are some differences. How much deep the nephron lies within the kidney mass, the types of the nephrons are made, the cortical and the juxtamedullary nephron. So on the base of the difference, how much the nephron lies within the kidney mass, there are two types of the nephron, cortical and juxtamedullary nephron, present in the kidney structure. Now the differences of these two types of the nephrons, cortical nephron and the juxtamedullary nephron. Cortical nephrons, those nephrons that have the glomeruli located in outer cortex close to the surface of the kidney are called the cortical nephrons, while the juxtamedullary nephrons are the nephrons of which the glomeruli lie deep in the renal cortex near the medulla. These are called the juxtamedullary nephron. The cortical nephron has short loops of Henle. They have short loops of Henle, while the long loops of Henle is the property of juxtamedullary nephron. Cortical nephrons have penetrated only a short distance into the outer portion of the medulla, while the juxtamedullary nephron have dipped deeply into the medulla. So they have long penetration into the medulla. Cortical nephrons has short thin segments. Cortical nephrons have short thin segments, while the longer thin segments is the property of the juxtamedullary nephron. The cortical nephrons have peritubular capillaries. Cortical nephrons are surrounded by the peritubular capillaries, which is the extensive network that supplies these nephrons, while the peritubular capillaries and additional vasa recta is the property of juxtamedullary nephron. Juxtamedullary nephron has also specialized network of capillaries which is called the vasa recta down into the medulla that extend down into the medulla to lie side by side with the loops of Henle. These are the long and straight capillary loops that arise from the deeper portion of the peritubular capillary network. So the vasa recta plays an important role in the formation of the concentrated urine. This is not the property of cortical nephron. The juxtamedullary nephron have peritubular capillaries and the vasa recta. Last point is that most of the nephrons present in the kidney are of the cortical type nephrons, while about 20 to 30% of the nephrons are of the juxtamedullary nephrons. So these are the differences in the tabulated form of two types of the nephrons. This is the diagrams of the cortical nephron and the juxtamedullary nephron. This represents the cortex of the kidney and this is the medulla. The cortical nephrons, those nephrons of which the glomeruli lie close to the surface of the kidney within the cortex are called the cortical nephrons. They have short, thin segments and loops of Henle. So the loops of the Henle penetrate short distance into the outer portion of the medulla, while the juxtamedullary nephron, they have their glomeruli lie deep in the renal cortex near the medulla. This is the medulla portion near the medulla, are called the juxtamedullary nephrons. They have long thin segments and loops on the Henle penetrate deeply into the inner portion of the medulla. So the difference between the cortical and juxtamedullary nephron is clear. Cortical nephrons have the short loop of Henle, Juxtamedullary nephron has long loop of Henle. Cortical nephrons have only peritubular capillaries, while there is additional specialized capillary network called vasa recta is also present in the juxtamedullary nephron. So these are the both differentiated diagrams of the cortical and the juxtamedullary nephron. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.